Welcome to Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. The topic of this video is reversing doubly linked list by reversing or swapping links. So this is the code. Let's start tracing the code. So we have hash include stdi.h, hash include stdlib.h. Then we have doubly linked list features.h. This is a user defined header file. So in this header file we have struct node with the struct node previous pointer prev and data member variable, and then we have next node address, so next pointer, so which saves next node address. Then we have a create function. This create function will create a doubly linked list. The working of this part of the function is explained in the video DSA28 doubly linked list creation and display. Please watch that video so you will understand this part of the code thoroughly. And then we let's move on to the main code here. Then we have a type def struct node. So struct node has been renamed to node. Then we have first pointer equal to null. Then we have int main. In that we have int data array. The data array has value data 10, 12, 23 and 44. Then we call the create function. The create function will create the doubly linked list with the 10, 12, 23 and 44. Then we call the reverse underscore DLL. So in the reverse underscore DLL we have initialized now two pointers, node iterator and which is equal to null, and temp node equal to null. Then we have node iterator equal to first. So node iterator will point to the first node, while node iterator not equal to null, that is while so this condition node iterator not equal to null is true. Temp node is equal to node iterator next. So temp node equal to node iterator next. So this node iterator next equal to previous node. So if we go back, you see hash 200 will be replaced by node iterator previous. So node iterator, this is hash 200 is node iterator next. It will be replaced by, so previous node will become here. Previous node will come to the next address. We'll see. So now it's null, and node iterator previous is equal to temp node. So hash 200 will be coming here. So the previous address, so you can see the previous address has gone to this node. So you're seeing the link is reversing. So now let's see node iterator equal to node iterator previous. So node iterator has moved from this node to this node because the previous here is hash 200. Hash 200 is this node. So node iterator has moved from this node to this node. If node, then we have if condition, if node iterator not equal to null, so node iterator is not equal to null, true. Node iterator next equal to null, so node iterator next is this one. So because we have hash 300 here, so this one is not equal to null, so this becomes false. True and false becomes false, doesn't go inside the if condition. So then again there is a while condition check. Node iterator not equal to null, is true. Then now again temp node equal to node iterator next. So temp node is node iterator next. Now again node iterator next is this one is replaced with node iterator previous. So hash 100 has been copied to this location. If you see, if I go click a back button here, so hash 300 has been replaced by hash 100. If I click next now, so it comes to the node iterator next. See, so node iterator next equal to node iterator previous. Hash 100 has been copied to this location. Now node iterator previous, this one is equal to temp node. So the temp node hash 300 has been copied to this. Node iterator equal to node iterator previous. So node iterator equal to node iterator previous, that is hash 300. So node iterator is pointing to this node, Then we have if condition, node iterator not equal to null, true. node iterator next equal to null. Node iterator next is this one. Is it equal to null? No, it's not. It's a false. So true and false is a false. Then the if condition is a false, it comes out. Then it checks again a while condition. Node iterator not equal to null. Node iterator not equal to null, it's true. Then we have temp node equal to node iterator next. Now temp node is node iterator next. Then we have node iterator next equal to again node iterator previous. So node iterator next is this one. So it has been replaced with node iterator previous. So previous hash 200 has been copied to this location. Then we have node iterator previous in the next step. So node iterator previous is equal to temp node. So hash 400 comes to this. If I click next, so we have node iterator previous equal to temp node. So hash 400 has gone to this. Then we have node iterator equal to node iterator previous. So node iterator equal to node iterator previous, that is it has hash 400. So this one, this node. So node iterator has come to this location. Now if node iterator not equal to null, yeah, it is not equal to null. Node iterator next equal to null. Node iterator next equal to null, true. So both are true. True and true is true. So it goes inside the if body. First equal to node iterator. So the first which was pointing to this node has come to this node now, because the links have been reversed. So the first node has come to the end. So we have successfully we have reversed the doubly linked list. We have one more iteration to go. Let's see. Okay, now first has come pointing to this node. Then we have another iteration. Node iterator not equal to null, true. Node iterator is not equal to null. Temp node equal to node iterator next. Node iterator next was null, so temp node equal to null. Node iterator next equal to node iterator previous. So hash 300 has been copied to the node iterator next. Node iterator previous equal to temp node. So node iterator previous is this part is equal to temp node. So null has been copied. Then node iterator equal to node iterator previous. So node iterator equal to node iterator previous. So node iterator previous was null. So node iterator equal to null. Now if node iterator not equal to null is false, there is a garbage value for node iterator next equal to null, because node iterator is already a null. So this is a false, doesn't go inside the if. Now it checks the while condition now. Node iterator not equal to null has turned false. So now if you try to track right, so first is here, the next address is hash 300. So next is here. Next address is hash 200 here. Next address of 200 is hash 100 here. You can see it has successfully reversed the link of a doubly linked list. Then it comes out of the while and comes out of the reverse underscore DLL function, then returns from the main function. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of n. If you want to access the code of this reversing of a doubly linked list, you can click on the code button here. You can run it on any of your preferred online or offline compilers. Select the language C, and if you want to step by step track your link changing and address changing using back and next button, you can use this app, Robominions.in AI interview preparation app. Signing up, Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app, and make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.